Hi, I'm Paul Psolka, IB Masters Learning Center at IBMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the sixth question from Digital SAT Test 3, Module 2B. That is a hard set of math questions. Number 6 reads, in right triangle RST, the sum of the measures of R and S is 90 degrees. If the value of sine R is root 15 over 4, what is the value of cosine S? So if you know a certain something, then this is a 5-second question, but I'm going to take you through a process that you might go through in solving this, and then we'll look at it. So we've got right triangle RST. Boom. So what's R, what's S, what's T? Well, if the sum of the measures of R and S are 90 degrees, then they have to be here. R here, S there, or vice versa. The point is that T has to be the right angle. Otherwise, sum of R and S could not be 90 degrees. All triangles have to add to 90 degrees. It would look like this. R plus S plus T equals 180 degrees in every triangle. And then it says sum of the measures of R and S is 90. So now we've got 90 plus T equals 180. And if you subtract that 90 from both sides, you get T equals 90. Okay, so there you have it. Now, you've got to know SOHCAHTOA. What's that mean? That means sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So first off, we've got that the sine of R is root 15 over 4. So opposite is root 15. Opposite is the side furthest away. And hypotenuse is 4. Boom, we've labeled it. And we're looking for the cosine of S. So cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent just means next to. So the cosine of S, what's next to it? It's root 15. And what's hypotenuse? It's 4. Okay, so that's how you'd actually do it. So you can see here that your correct answer is B. Now, how could you do it without doing any of this? Well, here's the deal. Whenever you've got a right triangle, if the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, then the sine of one equals the cosine of the other. Notice, since the sine of R is root 15 over 4, the cosine of S has to equal root 15 over 4 because R and S add to 90 degrees. And if you know that, then there's really no work to do at all. You just got to know it, answer it, 5 seconds, move on, especially if time is an issue for you. It's a good thing to know. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has difficulty with trigonometric functions or doesn't know this rule, that when you add two angles, if they equal 90 degrees, the sine of one equals the cosine of the other. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Check out our 1-minute videos. If you go to YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center, and then when you go down, find your test and module number, and you'll see that the shorter videos just below these longer videos. And check out this other video on trig functions. Have a great day.